welcome to Nuts About Cars Weekend Budget Garage. And one thing that I wanted to share with you guys is, there's things that we use every day that I guess maybe we take for granted, like the tools that we use. And I was a mechanic many years ago, and when I was doing mechanic work professionally, I only used top-notch tools. I've had my experiences with, some like department store tools, and when I was doing it professionally, we definitely had to do professional grade tools. And of course, the dogs see that I'm recording a video, so they're gonna get their milk bones in. So with that said, over the years I've kind of lightened up a little bit on I'm only gonna use a specific brand of tool, or lesser cost tools are not any good. And when you're doing this kind of work, when you're doing mechanic work professionally, I think it's important that you use a good tool. First of all, it saves your knuckles, and it just does such a nicer job, especially if you're doing it day in and day out. Now, as you get into more of a hobby, and I job out some of my work and some of the work that I can do, I'll do myself. I don't quite need this super high quality tool. I just need a good tool. I need a tool that actually works, and I'm not going to use it like for 80 hours a week, where I'm just using that 10 millimeter socket day in and day out every day, and I need it to perform well every day. If I pull out my wrench set once or twice a week, maybe 3 times a month, I just need it to do its job, and I need it to do it well. And I'm not really working on really rusty cars or stuff that is just day-to-day drivers, so I can get away with something that's a more reasonably priced. So I thought to help supplement my channel that I would get some tools and share with you guys with the link on what tools I got. So I needed a set of tools that I could bring with me when I go. I have cars in different areas and in different garages that I need to bring something with, and I gotta tell you, sometimes going into my messy garage and pulling out the tools I need, I was looking for a solution where I kind of had everything all in one. So I just got this set in. I thought I'd open it up with you, and let's see if it's everything I thought it would be, or maybe it's not. So here we go. I ordered this from Amazon, and I don't remember the name, but I'm sure we'll get the name soon enough. As soon as we open it up. Ooh, definitely heavy. Let's see what we got here. Package kind of nice. It's all sealed in like a cellophane. Like unwrapping a whole pack of cigarettes. All right, here we go. Let's see what this looks like. So the name of this set is a TLGREEN 96-piece Automotive Tool Set. It's $39.99 right now on Amazon on sale. It is the red version, and they also have pink and yellow, where it's just the trim is just the trim on some of the tools is different. Instead of you seeing red, either pink or yellow. But this is a nice tool set. I think it'll come in handy. As I use it, I'll let you know how the quality is, but you know what? For what I use it for, I could tell already, this is going to be fine. Is it the answer to everything? Absolutely not. I'll still have to bring something like I only have one spark plug socket, so I don't have the one for the peanut plugs. So I'll probably have to bring a couple of those extra ones with me, and maybe a few more extensions, because this little 3-inch extension is probably not going to be enough in most circumstances. But I tell you what, it'll reduce what I'm carrying, and this thing is easy. Just fold it up, clip it back into place, and there you go. Easy carry handle. I'm gonna be happy. So if you guys are interested in something like that, I'll have the link in the description. Give it a try. I mean, right now there's also a 5% promo code on Amazon, so the regular price is $49.99. Right now you can get it for 21% off at $39.59, and on top of that you get another 5%. And looks like you can get it overnight shipping, or if not overnight, next day or 2-day. And boy, that's just amazing. So good stuff. Thank you again, taking the time, taking a look at my products that I use, and things that'll make my life a little bit easier. So as it gets more difficult for me to move around with the way this hip and back of mine always are, these kind of things are invaluable. So have a wonderful rest of your day, and don't forget to take care of each other. Bye.